Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use ChatGPT with images. So let's get started guys. So in order to do this guys, we have to go over subscribe to ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT Plus and to go over and uh, view a photo here. And all you have to do is right click and open image in new tab, and over here you just have to copy it and make sure you are on GPT-4, and all you have to do here is uh, ask ChatGPT to describe the photo for you. So like this. So keep in mind guys, this might not work for everyone because this feature is selected only for a couple of countries. So let's try here if we can get this to work, and you can also try guys. So there. So as you can see, it's not working right now. But soon guys, when you use this command, you will be enabled to use this feature soon. So okay guys, that is how you can use ChatGPT 4 with images. Thank you for watching and goodbye.